All right, so we have an equation. Is that a linear equation or nonlinear? For the first one right here. Linear, how can you tell? Exponents, right. There's no exponents written, but we know they would be to the first power if we did write them in, correct? So this is a linear equation. Do I need to combine any like terms on the same side of the equal sign right now? No. So now I'm going to move the smaller of my variables terms to the other side. So I'm going to move this 3x to the other side. It is a positive 3x, so I will subtract it and subtract it over here. Those cancel out. Do not forget the sign in front of the numbers. So this is negative 6 equals 2x plus 8. All right, so here's my variable term. I need to move this number 8 to the other side. Montez, please put the phone away. I know you have this. So subtract 8, 8's cancel out, and I get 2x is equal to negative 14. Solving for x, what would I do here? Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to negative 7. How many had x equals negative 7? Yes. Yes. Why did I not do plus 6 here and plus 6 over here? You can, but then you have 0 equals 2x plus 14, and you still have to do another step to get 1 over to the other side, supposedly, right?
I thought the 6's cancel out, so it just be 2x plus 14, right, or not?
The 6's cancel out.
When you do, like you do it like at the top, it was positive 3 minus 3.
Right. Okay, so, all right, so let me just show, as I understand what you're saying. You're saying if I have negative 6 equals 2x plus 8, right? Right?
Yeah.
And you're saying, why don't you add 6 to both sides? So if I add 6 here and I add 6 here, it does cancel out. So I have 0 equals 2x plus 14. And now I still have to get either this to the other side or the number to the other side anyway. So I kept it and I subtracted 8 so I didn't have to move the other value. Okay? And maybe I should have explained that a little bit more. Does everybody understand what he's saying? Because I took away the 8, which is larger, and usually you subtract the smaller amount, but here instead, I moved the other one so I didn't have to move it twice. Okay? Thank you. Oh, was this blank the whole time?
No.
Oh, good. I was like, Oh, yeah, that's very good. Okay. All right. Any questions on the first one? I gotta get this back.
I'll go right now.
What's it?
I'll go right now. Yep.
Let me see. What's it for?
I need to tell them. I didn't mean to do that. I need to go, like, opt out, because I didn't mean to do that. That was by accident.
Looks like 5th period.
I got lunch 5th period, though.
Well, do you go to 5A lunch?
Mm-hmm.
I still don't, not sure what that's about. What is that for? Oh, okay. Okay. I was like, I don't even know what this is exactly. All right, so then the second one, whoops. Let me erase this so we can see it. The second one, as I'm looking at this, can I put together C plus 1 here? No, I cannot combine those terms. So I need to look at distributing the 6 with everything on the inside. So 6 times C is 6C plus, don't forget, 6 times 1 is 6. In one of my classes, we had the 1 here. They did not multiply. And finally, don't forget, minus 3 equals 2C plus 9. Can I combine 2C and 9? No. Think of it as 2 cakes and the number 9. I can combine these two numbers right here, though. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And I get 6C plus 3 equals 2C plus 9. I always like to move my variables first. Here is the smaller coefficient. It is a positive 2C, so I am going to subtract 2C from both sides. 2C or not 2C? That is the question. 6C minus 2C is 4C plus 3 equals 9. I need to move that 3 to the other side. It's right now being added, so I'm going to subtract 3. You always want to do the opposite. 3's cancel out, and 4C is equal to 6. Now, I have several students at times who will do something like this. Is that right? No. What am I trying to solve for? Yeah, I want to get C by itself. So you're not going to divide by 6. You're going to divide by 4. What is next to the C? So divide by 4, divide by 4. 4's simplify out. And C is equal to 6/4. But can I simplify that? What goes into both? 2. So divided by 2 over 2, which we know is really 1. That's why it doesn't change the answer. It just simplifies it. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that is your final answer. How many had? C equals 3 halves. Ooh, not as many. Not as many. Okay. Any questions about either of those two problems?